Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of this 2021 Radiance. It's the R-25BH floor plan. I just finished setting up this trailer and let me tell you, it is well taken care of, stocked from the previous owners of all the things that they found useful, and also is just a well-round, well-built trailer. Starting on the exterior here, we're going to have some of these nice upgrades that you might not get with an older trailer. You have a powered tongue jack here, as well as powered stabilizers around the rest of the unit. You have a powered awning, so every single feature and thing you're going to have to use here to set up the trailer on the exterior is fully powered. Very easy setup, no cranking anything up, cranking anything down. Very easy setup. Looking at the interior here, you're going to have this pass-through storage area, nice large openings on either side, and it is packed full with things the previous owners have that they found very useful. First of those things you're going to see here is your outdoor cooker. So you've got this outdoor cooktop, and it has a mount mounted to the back of the trailer for nice easy articulation if you want to fold it in during transportation, fold it out when you're ready to cook for the family. You also have your powered cords here. This is going to be your mount for your outdoor cooker. You also have a bin on the other side full of extra stabilizing pads, extra hoses. You've got an anti-sway kit on the other side. It looks like there's can jam in here, outdoor tables. Perfect things just to get you started. If you don't want them, toss them on Facebook Marketplace, make a couple of dollars back from your purchase. Looking out here, I've already talked about the powered awning. You have LED strip lights on the outside. You've got your two outdoor speakers. I mentioned there's that outdoor cooktop, but this floor plan also comes with an outdoor kitchen. You're gonna have your sink right there. You've got an outdoor fridge right there, perfect for drinks, condiments, everything ready when you are cooking your meals out here. A little storage compartment up above and a 2-burner cooker. I do want to do a full walkthrough of the exterior of this vehicle, trailer, just because there is plenty of features to show off. This was that mount I was talking about for your outdoor cooktop. That extra bracket just clips on into here. This pin will come out, you can articulate this around, so if you don't want to open up the full kitchen, you just want to be using a quick little cooktop on the back, that's definitely an option for you. You've got leash latches here, perfect for you if you're going to bring along your dogs or cats. I see lots of people bringing their cats nowadays on camping trips. So a little leash latch there, you can clip them on, they can be out here with the family. You've got your spare tire. Radiance is prepped with a backup camera, so it doesn't have a backup camera on it right now, but it is pre-wired with the Furrion system. Easy setup if you want to have one installed. This is a single slide out trailer, so it gives you a little bit more room in that floor plan in the living room, but not massive. You can still pack it into tighter spots here, and if you're worried about having a large trailer, single slide out isn't anything to worry about. This is the other side of your pass-through storage area. You can see a couple more of those accessories I was talking about. You've got your anti-sway kit. It looks like you have some odor eliminator. Let's see. Yep, odor eliminator. You've got wheel blocks there, everything you need to get started. You've got your 2 covered 20-pound propane tanks there on the front, and let's step inside to show off the rest of these features. Stepping on into the interior, first of all, this was very well taken care of from the previous owners. It's only a 2021, so not very old at all, but you can tell it's been well loved and well taken care of. I also mentioned it is a well-built trailer, and I want to point off a couple of things here, specifically in the kitchen. You're gonna have solid surface countertops here, so you can feel it's a real stone. It's got that nice cold touch to it there, and all of these cabinets are very well built. Very strong, very easy to open up. A lot of other trailers, you open it, it kind of wiggles there in your hand. These feel nice and strong. You've got your microwave up above for cooking. You obviously have your outdoor kitchen there too. You've got a fireplace probably, or a fire pit probably going outside to cook some marshmallows and hot dogs. If you're doing more formal meals, you've got a 3-burner stovetop in here, as well as an oven. You've got a pretty awesome deep stainless steel sink here. Great looking fixtures there. More countertop space. You're going to have the slide come over. Kind of acts as an extra cutting board if you need it, but also multiplies your countertop space by eliminating that sink and having that block there. Flipping over to the side, you're going to have your entertainment area. So you've got your TV there. This is your control panel there for that. Storage up underneath. And flipping over to the side, you will have your dinette area. So this is a great design. I like seeing the U-shaped dinettes. You definitely get a lot more room than just having seats on either side. If it's just a small family or a couple, gives you that extra shoulder room if you want to stretch out, put a foot out, gives you that room, but if you are a family, you can pack people all the way around. Another thing with this trailer being well built, it's just the small touches that I noticed from this trailer to others. Another great table here, very strong, very sturdy. And these posts that go in here too, often you just have kind of extruded metal posts that taper to an end. These ones are solid posts, and you've got rubber caps on the inside, so it really seals and makes a good fit on the top so this table isn't wobbly, and it stops crazy banging around every time I'm dropping down those posts to make the bed. It sounds like a small thing, but every little detail was thought of in this trailer. You'll notice throughout there's a couple of spots where there is these USB ports sprinkled, so that's going to be an easy spot to plug in your phone and charge your portable devices. You're going to have a full electric fridge freezer combo here. 12 volt fridge freezer combo. Closing this up, you're going to have your washroom. So a couple small features here that may not be notable. First of all, you've got this full wraparound shower surround. No seals here on the edges or worrying about water seeping in there. You've got this beautiful skylight to let in all this natural light when you're having your shower. And the most notable thing is you do get a tub. A lot of people do the walkthroughs of the trailers, think, oh, beautiful, it's got a washroom, everything I need. Then you go camping, you notice you don't have a tub. Although it's small, it goes a long way having that lip up there. If you've got kids, pets, you just want to soak something, you can fill up the tub. Just want to soak off your feet. That's an option that you don't always get in travel trailers. You've got your foot flush style toilet here. Very well angled here in this washroom, to be honest. You've got it right on this angle. Gives you plenty of leg room when you're sitting down, whether you're short or tall. You've got storage compartments all throughout here. And you've got your medicine cabinet, as well as sink, access to plumbing, and access to more storage underneath. Closing this off, this is a good family RV because you're going to have double over double bunks here in the back. Each bunk comes with its own light and its own window, so there shouldn't be any sibling rivalry over who's getting the best bunk. Underneath, you are going to have a small storage compartment as well behind your, that's going to be your outdoor kitchen, but you still get storage on the interior here. You've got ducted air conditioning through the rest of the unit, and that's going to bring us into the master bedroom. You've got doors on either side, so a smart thing they've done here, they've given you that bigger floor plan for a larger bed, and it is still tight here. I can still squeeze through here. I am quite of a thin frame person, but it doesn't really matter. They give you entrance on either side, so if you're the type of person never wants to make that tight fit, you've got a full door on either side of the trailer. Both sides of this bed are going to have 5 volt USB charging as well as 110 volt receptacles, so 110 volt, perfect for alarm clocks, CPAP machines, noise machines, anything like that. Then you've got your portable devices charging off that other one. You've got a little access compartment there if you want to get to your pass-through storage area. And another upgrade from the previous owners is they've put in these, I think they're typically sold as maybe shoe racks, but it looks like they found the perfect size to fit in here. I could see that being very handy for you to tuck away things. Almost triples your space with being able to stack things up. If you just want to use this for regular clothes, you don't want to fold them, you want to hang them, they did leave the wardrobe style hanger on the inside, so you can hang your clothes and not have them all folded up like you're living out of a suitcase. Opening up the top, you've got storage compartments up above, nice LED strip lighting, as well as lighting underneath here too. Obviously, you can see this is an upgraded mattress, much thicker than the mattresses you're going to typically get in a new RV, so that's another nice bonus. Underneath here, you are still going to have interior storage as well, so lifting that up, you can see you've got some storage under there. And you're going to have a TV in here too, so a perfect blend of being able to be outside, enjoy the beautiful weather, cook outside, but when you want to step inside, you've got entertainment, places to cool off, and places to cook. If you want to check out everything else this beautiful 2021 Radiance has to offer, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.